Hello everyone, Kellen here, and on behalf of my team, Radu and Mike, thank you for checking out ProfitMail.
An amazing mass email sender that's the easiest to use that's on the market right now. Let's quickly check how it works. So while we're on the dashboard, we can see a campaign I ran on the 28th of March. Uh, we can see all the statistics about it. We can view the logs for it, and then we can see a detailed report on it. So we can see the successful deliveries, total opens, unique opens, click rate, total clicks, total opens, and abuse reports. With this, we can create our future campaigns to have much better results. But let's get into how to actually use ProfitMail, how to launch campaigns, and how to use its revolutionary automation editor. After clicking on campaigns, we can see the two campaigns I ran. We can see the results. We can see the open rates and click rates. You can also see the statistics and edit it. But let's try and create a campaign from scratch and let's see how that works. So it's very easy. You just click on create campaign. You are led here. So now you can choose between a regular or a plain text. We're just going to go with the regular. Now we're going to choose our list, and we just choose the default list. As you can see, ProfitMail with 702 subscribers. Click on save and next. At our setup, we can choose our campaign, let's say ProfitMail. Choose our email subject. Let's go with ProfitMail. And now from name, we just choose our name. Email, we can use just the sending server value, and we can reply to our main email. Then we have the signatures, track links, and track open, so we can see all of the statistics. If you don't want that, you can turn off these options. Save and next. Template, we can create our own template, or we can choose a template layout. We also have some themes that you can use for your own, and we're just going to try and edit one of those. So we just click on it, we choose Email Builder Pro, and now we have this revolutionary drag and drop email editor. As you can see, we can edit anything we want, from text to the image if needed. What's more, we can just drag and drop any kind of element we want from here. If I want a button, we can drag it right here, and here's our button. We can see a lot of options for it, so we can customize it however we want. If we want, we can hide it for mobile, so it doesn't mess with our layout. We can test the layout by clicking on the buttons up here, so we can see how this email will look on an iPhone, on a tablet, on a desktop, and we can edit it depending on that. If you want to delete it, just click here and it's done. The layout is back to normal. We can choose anything we want, from progress bar to image headers to navigator bars and so much more. We can customize our emails to make them look amazing and very attractive for our customers. We're just going to save and close. Perfect. And now we are going to our schedule. Our schedule is extremely simple. You just choose your delivery date and the delivery time that is dependent on the time zone you chose. So we're just going to choose the time right now and just click save and next. And we are all set to send. As you can see here, we have all the info. If you have anything wrong, you can quickly change it. Let's just send a test email. We put in our email and we click on send. And it's done. The email was sent. As you can see, we have the email here. We can look through it. We can click on the buttons. If we put any links, we can see the timelines, products, and everything we want. It's even got this cool drop down here that's very attractive. And now let's head back to our automations. Here we can see the automation I made for our previous campaign, but let's create one from scratch again. So we just click on add new. We put our name, ProfitMail launch, and we just choose our default list. There we go. And now we click on get started. And now here we are. Now here we can choose the way our automation will work. We just have to choose our trigger, and we can either welcome new subscribers, say happy birthday, we have a lot of options. Let's just choose the most common one, welcome new subscribers. Click on confirm. And now we can choose our next actions. So we can either wait when a contact subscribes to our email list, or we can just send an email. And here we can set up our email. We can just do that real quick. And now we just click on save and next. We just go through this option again. We're just gonna click on start, choose the already made theme, and just click on next and close. There we go. Now we can choose an amazing action. So we're just gonna go with condition, and we're just gonna go with hello, our previous email, and click on confirm. And now we can see we have two different options. So if a subscriber opens our email, we can send them a new email or wait. But if a subscriber doesn't open our email, we can send them a follow-up to make sure they're okay or to make sure they're active within our list. Again, we can just wait. So if a subscriber opens the email, I would normally put wait, and we can put how much time we want them to wait before getting a new email from us. We're just gonna put 1 hour, and then we can add our next email. We'd have to go through the whole setup again. And of course, if a subscriber doesn't read the email, we can send them a follow-up instantly. And we also have a lot of different things. So we can, if you mess anything up, you can just go back. Here we can see the insights. Of course, as we just started our automation, we don't have any stats, but we can see anything we want. So we can see how many people open our email, how many people don't open our email. We can see how many contacts are in queue for waiting and how many emails we've sent out. And if we go over to lists, we can see the subscribers and the email list I created. We're not going to create a new list, we're just going to try and add a new subscriber and see how easy that process is. So we just click on new subscriber and we let it this list. So now we can either manually add a new subscriber, or even better, we can just click here and import our CSV file. As you can see, you can upload the CSV with your email list, and ProfitMail will take care of everything for you. Furthermore, we have all sorts of subscription forms, unsubscription forms, or even to allow your users to update their profile within ProfitMail. So let's say, for example, we are going with a sign-up form. We are led to this page. Now here, we can customize our sign-up form depending on whatever we want to do. But to get a clear idea of what's happening, each of our ProfitMail users are getting their own customized sign-up form URL for your own list. You can see it right here, and if we open it, and we're led to this page, which is a personal sign-up page that allows your potential customers to sign up to your own email list. You can see they have to put in their email, and they have optional to put in their first name and last name. Of course, you can customize this however you want, but we suggest just keeping it like this, easy and on point. So let's now go to our sending servers, which I'm super excited to show you. If we go to sending servers, we can see the sending server I already have for testing ProfitMail. It's Mailgun, but we have a ton of other APIs that you can use. Let's quickly check them out. So we have Amazon, SendGrid, Mailgun, Elastic Email, SparkPost, any type of SMTP, and even SendMail. Any of these services, you can integrate them with ProfitMail. Mailgun, Amazon are free to use, so it's an amazing opportunity for you. You don't even have to pay for a service before using ProfitMail. So all in all, ProfitMail is an amazing tool that you can use to increase your email list, create amazing automations, gain subscribers extremely fast with our opt-in forms, and have even done for you email themes. Get your copy today and I will see you on the inside.